Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Hyundai Genesis Coupe and I will show you how to remove and replace the front headlights. Now luckily you don't have to remove the front bumper to remove the headlights, so there is basically just a couple of screws to remove and then you can try to wiggle out that headlight. To start, you will want to lift the front hood and then you can remove two 10mm screws. One will be here and one just here, and those are actually the only two screws which are holding this headlight in place. Once these two screws are out, then you will want to remove this 10mm screw right here, because you will need a bit of extra wiggle room to remove this headlight, and by removing this screw you'll be able to pull this part of the bumper a bit out towards yourself and pull that headlight out. Next thing to do would be to pop out this plastic trim screw right here. So that's quite easy, just use a flat screwdriver and gently pry it out and remove it. And once that is done, now you can pull this bumper a bit off, and that will give you, like I said before, enough wiggle room to pull the headlight out. And the next thing to do is just to try and pull out that headlight assembly. So it will be completely loose. You just have to, like I said, play with it and wiggle it out. I was able to do it with one hand, so you should be able to do it with both hands with no effort at all. To completely remove the headlight, all you have to do, you just have to disconnect this connection here. So on the top you will have like a small black clip which you want to press and then just pull it off. See? And that's it. This is how easy it is to remove the front headlights on Hyundai Genesis Coupe. As a replacement, I will install these aftermarket black headlights. I believe this will give this car a much better look and it's gonna sell much easier. Now it should just be a simple plug and play. There isn't really much to it. Two mounting screws on the top and this connection which should just plug in. Now I'll go outside and try to install it. Now it is a good idea, before you put everything back together, just plug in the headlight and make sure that actually all the light bulbs and turn signal lights actually work. Okay, so that's it. It took me less than half hour to replace both of the headlights, and the car now looks much better in my opinion, because these headlights were fogged, cracked, and really had to be replaced, and this will now sell this vehicle much easier. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.